In the realm of kitchen gadgets, the hand blender is a versatile workhorse, enabling you to blend, mix, and puree with finesse. But not all hand blenders are created equal, and the Philips Promix Viva collection hand blender stands out as a remarkable kitchen companion. With 300 watts of blending power, intuitive SpeedTouch controls, and an array of smart features, it's designed to make your cooking experiences smoother, more efficient, and, ultimately, more enjoyable. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Philips Promix Viva collection hand blender into your kitchen today. Unleash turbo power with a squeeze. The Philips Promix Viva hand blender doesn't hold back when it comes to power. Its turbo boost button, which you can effortlessly squeeze, delivers an extra surge of power, allowing you to tackle even the toughest ingredients. No more struggling with chunky soups or stubborn smoothies. This hand blender powers through them all. Control at your fingertips. Cooking is an art, and every artist needs control over their tools. With intuitive variable speeds, the Promix Viva hand blender empowers you to adjust the blending power with ease. No need to switch settings. You can simply increase or decrease the speed while you work. From Silky-Smooth sauces to chunky salsas, you're in command. Whisk like a pro. Have you ever wanted to whisk up a velvety whipping cream, create a velvety smooth mayonnaise, or craft the perfect pancake batter? The Promix Viva hand blender makes it possible with its single whisk accessory. It's not just about blending, it's about unleashing your inner chef. Promix technology. Innovation meets efficiency. Philips partnered with Stuttgart University to develop Promix technology, ensuring faster and more consistent blending. The hand blender's unique and advanced triangular design optimizes food flow, delivering maximum performance and the best results every time. This innovative technology guarantees that your recipes will shine, whether you're making creamy soups or nutritious smoothies. Effortless accessory swapping. When you're in the flow of cooking up a storm, you need tools that keep up with you. The Philips Promix Viva hand blender makes switching accessories a breeze. They quickly attach and detach to the blending bar with a simple press of a button, ensuring that your culinary creations are never interrupted. 300 watts of reliable power. In the world of blending, power matters. The Promix Viva hand blender boasts a robust 300-watt motor, delivering all the power you need to prepare your favorite meals, whether you're making silky puree, a hearty soup, or a healthy smoothie. With this level of performance, your dishes are only minutes away. If you're passionate about cooking, then the Philips Promix Viva collection hand blender should be your trusted partner in the kitchen. This exceptional hand blender isn't just about blending, it's about empowering your culinary creativity. Squeeze the turbo boost, adjust the speeds to your liking, and effortlessly whisk like a pro. Promix technology ensures that your ingredients are blended to perfection, and the accessory swapping is seamless, keeping your workflow smooth. This is the tool that helps you craft memorable dishes and culinary creations with ease. Are you ready to elevate your culinary journey? Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Philips Promix Viva collection hand blender into your kitchen today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.